Alright, so I'm doing some surgery on the 200 here, and I didn't know that someone tried to fix this with some RTV sealer, but that was not the way to do it. In fact, if you look closely, right, it looks like someone used like a screwdriver or something to drive that on there. Anyway, whoever put this seal on here did a poor job and didn't do it right. So I'll try and do this the best I can without taking the bike apart. So let's get that off there. Thankfully, the case actually looks all right. And I'm gonna get that O-ring out of there. Because if I'm replacing the main seal, I might as well replace the O-ring too. Which, that one looks pretty worn anyways. Alright, so I got getting creative here. Since I'm not taking the case halves apart to do this, I decided to take a hole saw, drill a hole in this piece of wood, so I can essentially use it as a seal driver. That way I get the seal flush with the engine and without damaging it. So, see if I can prop up the camera for this. Start that. I'll do it by hand, doesn't have to be recorded. See if I can get it on there. That's actually working great. Perfect. That worked really well. Now I can get the O-ring on there. Should be. So let's see them. If I do that, I'm gonna put some grease on this. Just to help it. How about this? Okay, so I got some grease on there. What's that? Now it should begin to seal it the way it's supposed to be. Not with this RTV sealer crap. I don't know why anyone would do that. Take the snap ring and get that cleaned off. Don't get carb cleaner in any cuts because that stuff hurts. Youch. And actually, that snap ring's pretty chewed up. So let's replace that too while we're at it. Harbor Freight is also a good source for the copper washers that you use for like oil drain seals. Can't go wrong with that. So this is about that size. As long as it's roughly the same. Alright, so I gotta get a snap ring. Let's fish the sprocket back onto the chain. And back on to this countershaft. There we go. And then just give that a quick cleaning, make it a little easier to get in there. Because ideally, with that new seal and O-ring, this is going to be pretty tight to get on there. So there we go. Snapped on there nice and good. Just make sure it's all the way on. And that's it. Should be good to go now.